Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what I want to do on this episode is give you guys another update on the Midnight Scavenger Hunt. So, hopefully, you guys are enjoying this series. Keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. But we're having some fun now. And one thing I kind of want to express is that you guys can utilize the link tree. So that is going to be pinned in the comments down below. It will be the first comment, not only on this video, but on every video, as well as in the description down below. So go there. If you guys have not set up a Lace wallet, we have quick links for you to not only make sure you're on the right website, but to make this a little more swift as well. So we also have the Scavenger Phase 2. Click on that link, go to Claim Portal. If you guys need more of a guide, watch the other videos. In particular, watch this one right here. Just cross 800 views. It should have more, but the moose is, obviously wanting like 100,000 views. But guys, the Scavenger Mine is live. That's what we're talking about on this episode as well. So I've already done a Phase 2 update. Now we have even more rewards. So if we take a look here, we have earned 260 night just on this browser. So because of you guys in the comment section, and this is why we do this, comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I've already heard two big things that I want to talk about. Number one, a lot of you were saying, you don't have to keep your screen on the entire time. And that does work. Because while I am using a iMac right now on a secondary screen, and I'll explain why. Yes, it does work if your computer browser is open, even if your computer is locked. You just have to keep your computer on, right? So somebody had mentioned, you don't need to keep it running 24/7. That's true. I'm probably going to do it anyways because the moose is loose. Like, whatever. Moose is 9 beers deep when he's, in the Glacier Drop. He's just trying to let loose, have some fun here. But guys, just keep in mind that you do want to have your browser open at all times so that you can solve these challenges, okay? So that's number one. Number two, somebody explained that they had multiple browsers. So this is my one browser with this wallet. This is my Mitch Nami wallet. Yeah, it's my Nami wallet. So I try to track them. I also have a Trezor connected, which isn't working. I couldn't get it to work. So that's one. But if we go over here, I opened up my other Google account. So basically another web browser. So I didn't open up a new tab, but I created a new browser with the new Google login. And here I have a different wallet. So this is my Mitch Lace wallet. Okay, I just have a couple ADA in here. I don't even think you need any. So I'm earning here as well. So this is two browsers. And then we have a third, in a fourth, in a fifth. Okay, so and a sixth and seventh because I'm also doing this on another laptop. So you guys can set up multiple wallets on multiple browsers in Mine for Night. So to try to keep this organized, this is on a separate monitor. Usually I'm on the 5K iMac. Right now we're just kind of cruising along with this one. But you guys get the idea. So if you guys have one browser open, might as well set up another and then another and another and then get loose on another. And it seems to be working. So if we go here, we got 2 challenges solved. Working on 2, 1 challenge solved. Perfect. So here we're still going for the perfect score of 504. Guys, comment down below. Do you think we're receiving enough night tokens? I think personally, depending on market cap, of course, we could get to that 50-cent dollar mark if things just go nuts. But unfortunately, if we take a look at the crypto market, it's rather stale right now. In fact, Cardano struggling to keep even at 60 cents USD. So it's been tough. But as an investor, guys, I've seen this time and time again. I'm just a long-term thinker in this. Before you know it, if you wait long enough and if you hold a good product, you're going to be fine. And at worst, we're just going to have to convert everything to Bitcoin. So guys, use the link tree, protect your crypto, use a Tangem, a Trezor Ledger, use code Moose, right? And let me know, guys, down below, how is your night allocation? I'm excited. I believe this is only for 3 days. So, around 90 tokens a day. That's, maybe a little bit less. Let's say it's 80, it's 240. So yeah, about 90 tokens a day that we're earning here. So that's pretty good, right? 85 tokens. If we can keep up to that, and if we have different browsers, my next target now is going to be 5,000 night for the scavenger mine, plus what I already have. So I could be getting into the 15,000 to 20,000 tokens. That could be 20 grand. Okay, so I'm optimistic. I'm just sharing this with you guys. Take advantage now. You still have, let's call it 15 to 16 days. Let's say you can earn 50 night a day. That's 500 tokens, right? So, and that's just on one browser. If you open up 10 browsers, you got 5,000 tokens. Boom. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. Give me your thoughts and opinions. Love this, guys. Cheers.